What is up, Beamers? Welcome back to the BMW Doctor channel. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And at the end of the video of this beautiful F30 2014 F30, make sure you hit that like button. I'm going to save you money today. So in return, please do that for me. Today we're doing an oil change on it. We've done a few things to this car. We've done some body work to it. It had an accident on the highway, and the link in the description for that video. Today, on this video, is going to be an oil change. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so the tools that you'll need for this oil change are flat screwdriver, 10mm Allen socket for the drain bolt, that special tool for the oil filter housing, oil filter, 5W30 full synthetic oil. You'll need 5 quarts. Today I'm using a K&N filter. These are super amazing. I use them on my E92. Now, this car is a 2014 F30 320 with the inline 4 single turbo N20 engine, and I guess that's all you need to know about it. So moving on to the engine bay, you're going to want to pop the hood. Once you pop the hood, you have 2 things that you have to do to prep for this oil change. You'll need to remove the oil cartridge housing, the oil filter cartridge housing, and you'll need to remove the oil cap. So we'll go ahead and remove the oil cap. Make sure you don't put anything in this area. You don't risk anything falling in your engine. Next, I'm going to put the oil filter housing tool on here. Once you got it on here, you're going to want to remove it. You're going to want to remove the... You just got to loosen it up and leave it there. This will help drain the oil faster. Now we'll go ahead and jack up the car and we'll show you underneath. Alright, Beamers, the F30 is on the lift, and we're going to go ahead and get underneath, show you where you need to be. If you have a floor jack, it's the same process. There we go. So this here is your oil change port. All you need to do is get your flathead screwdriver, get it in here, turn it, pop this out, and you got a, looks like, Allen wrench. It's a 10mm Allen. I'm gonna get my oil pan. That's pretty black. Alright guys, so it's draining. It's gonna be a little bit. It's pretty black. Person hasn't taken care of this car. So good luck next owner, right? We're gonna give it a few minutes. I'll get back to you once it's done. You will need to replace this O-ring. Goes without saying, because gets hot, you know, and yeah, link in the description for the O-ring. We're about to put this plug back on. Got a new O-ring on it. Let's go ahead and get to it. All you gotta do is screw it in place. Get it snug and you're good. Put this cover back on. Turn this so the circle is this way. And you're ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop it, show you what you need to do in the engine bay. Alright, so at the engine bay, we already loosened this up. Take it out. Make sure you replace this O-ring and this gasket. And to pop the filter off, you just pull on it and it comes off like that. And then you got a pick tool. Pick the O-ring. There's one in the K&N kit, and then get the other one. Also, there's one replacement in the oil filter kit. Let's get the new ones. Okay, that's what you get. You don't use this brass one because that's for the older generation engines. New filter, pop in place, O-ring, lube it up a little, put it on here. Okay, that's on. Now get your gasket. Just put a little bit of oil on it. Nothing crazy. Okay. That's on. Ready for installation. Okay, and you just pop it in here. And then you screw it in. Get your oil filter housing socket, tighten it. Once it gets tight, you're good. Don't over torque it. Okay? Sometimes this gets stuck on. Just knock on it like this. Comes loose. Alright, so that's ready to go. Next, we're gonna fill it up with oil. Time for the oil. Alright, so get your funnel. You can put it straight in, but I like funnels. At this point, this is point of no return, so make sure your drain bolt in the bottom is good. Okay, oil. Put your engine oil cover back on. Make sure it's secured, and you're done. Next, we're going to show you how to reset the oil indicator light on your dash. Press the on start engine button with no brake. This will come on. Your ignition is on now. What you have to do is hold this button here. My door is open. Usually if the door is open, that doesn't work. For some stupid reason. Hold this button. All you gotta do now is release the button and hold it again. Reset. It's gonna have a reset and a question mark. But let go of the button and press it again. It says reset, so now we're gonna hit release and hold again. reset in progress. I could have done it with the Max Assist, but this is for you guys, the DIYers. Alright, and that's it. That's all there is to it.